That right there is a loose connection on the battery cable. Somebody put a lug on it and it's not fitting right. That's a positive cable. That, my friends, will cause you a battery light on the dash. As you can see right there, we got a battery light. Turn it sideways there, you got a battery light on the dash. We're going to have to put a new cable lug on that to fix that. This thing has been leaving these people stranded. We're going to be able to fix this vehicle and we're going to be able to get back on the road. This is a 2007 Edge and the people have already put a battery on it. They've already put an alternator on it. They spent all kinds of time on it. Took them a whole day to put the alternator on it. We're going to fix this in about 5 minutes and they're going to be on their way. It's going to cost them just a little bit of diagnosis time and a little bit of time for us to put the lug on and they'll be good to go. So I'm Brian McClure. I'm the Ford Technical Recruiting Liaison for the Oklahoma Ford dealers and I help people get jobs as technicians in Ford dealerships. If you or you know somebody who wants a job or would like to talk to me about this and find out some more information, give me a call, 918-928-7433, or email me at fordoktptc@gmail.com. This is a good job. This is a good career to be in, pays well, it's got good job satisfaction, job security. You can do this. I did it. You can do it. You can make a good living at it. And this is no joke. It's a pretty good profession. Have a great day.